Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to make a Java-Bedrock Crossplay Aternos server in a simple and step-by-step way. First, go to the Aternos website and create your free Minecraft server. Then, select a Java Edition version that matches your preference. After that, open the Software section and install Paper or Spigot because Crossplay needs plugin support. Once installed, start the server once and then stop it to apply changes properly. Now go to the Plugins section and install Geyser MC, which allows Bedrock players to join Java servers. Next, install Floodgate as well, so Bedrock players can join without needing a Java account. After both plugins are installed, start your server again and wait for it to fully load. Now open Geyser Settings and note the Bedrock port shown there. Java players will use the normal server IP, while Bedrock players will use the IP plus that port. Finally, share the details with your friends and your cross-play server will be ready to use smoothly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.